Okay, recording started too.
All right.
Okay, I opened the quiz. Fibonacci. Okay, there's 5 problems. First one.
I guess for the first one, that would be like pretty simple, right? You would just do
Let's see
like just fine, and then like you could create a function like Fibonacci that would take in a value, and I guess if like the number, if the value is equal to 1 or 2, then it would return 1, and then otherwise it would return like
It's 1 plus Fibonacci n, I think. Or
yeah, or wait, is it?
I think we would do like we would add the two recursive calls. So we do like Fibonacci n minus 1 plus Fibonacci.
Fibonacci n minus 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Okay. Yeah, so I guess we could do does what I wrote on the docs look right to you guys?
Yeah. Would we have to include a case where like it says if n is an integer argument? So I guess if n is like less than 1, so if it's like 0 or a negative number, would we have to just return null? Like would that have to be a condition?
I don't think we have to worry about negative numbers because we're the ones that's passing in the input, right?
Okay.
If that's the case, then they would have told us maybe.
Oh yeah, or like put in like a note or something.
Yeah, do that too. Did you guys run it on Scheme?
Running it right.
I think we still also need to like even as inputs. So probably could do like set. What is it set?
Mm,
Are we done with the first one?
No.
I'm running it, or I'm like running it right now, buddy.
I tried running it, it didn't run. I made my define function with this, or like the main function. Display Fibonacci 5.
Okay. Mm.
And I think there's like one more.
Did it work for you? I don't think it
No,
Yeah.
should be close.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I think I was missing a parentheses. That's- Mhm. Man. Mm.
Oh, I don't think we're telling it to stop, right? I don't think we
What?
have a base case. Do we have a base case?
Yeah, because well, wouldn't if
Yeah, this-
n is like less than 2, it would output 1. Wouldn't that be the base case?
Maybe it does go to negative numbers. Or, I mean, no, that can't be the case.
No, it won't be less than. Yeah, no, I won't go to negative numbers. Oh, I think we're missing an if statement.
Yeah, I think it's missing the if statement.
Okay, that should work. Yeah, let's try and
Actually, one of the very
Yes. I'm not getting any errors, but I'm also not getting like an output when I run it. Right? Are
You
guys-
added the if statement, right?
Yeah, I added the if statement, and then I have like this. Well, I didn't use 5, but I have like display Fibonacci 2.
Okay, let me see.
Hmm. Oh, it's because I forgot the one. What? Oh wait, no, I have that.
I think I'm still getting an infinite loop.
Hmm.
Oh, I think it's. I got it. I think it's the equal sign.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's just turning out the number for me. Interesting.
No.
Actually, no, I lied. I didn't solve it again. FM plus emission number 1 emission number. Okay, I got it. Let's just make sure. Wait, 5. Does it give me 5? 13. 4. Oh, so let's try 6. Did you guys get it?
No.
It's just turning out the number itself in the actual sequence.
Did it work for you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I just share my screen and then show the answers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let me just make sure. Let me just see what the Fibonacci sequence is. I got like.
Oh, look at these. Yeah.
Okay, I got it. It's just that.
It should be. Okay. Right. Just messed up. 13.
Do we need somebody to
Huh?
do we need somebody to be like sharing this constantly, or is it fine if we don't have that?
I'll just share it and then show the answer. I'll stop recording. How to share it? Screen. Okay, so the code is here. And we're gonna test with the value of 6 and 6, and then we got 13. Okay.
Okay.
We can move on to 2.
Yeah.
And odd that returns the n odd number from the list.
Number. Mm. Oh, I think this is an example.
Yeah, it's like the odd even list kind of thing.
Wait, so what does it mean when it says nth odd number? Is it the odd number in the nth position?
Yeah, yeah. So like I guess it was like if it was a sixth odd number, then we need to get the sixth odd number, like at position of 6.
Position of 6. Okay. Position.
I guess we'll have to filter first for like odd numbers through the list, and then I guess return. Well, maybe we need to filter, but does it say that? I mean, does it say like if we need if the list is going to be like all odd numbers? So maybe we might need to filter for that. I don't know.
Wait, if you're supposed to get the nth odd number, does that mean that there are like n times 2 numbers total?
What do you mean?
Oh,
I
wait.
don't think so.
I
No.
think it just
Okay.
says assume it has at least n odd numbers. I don't think there's like a limit to.
Yeah, that's what it said. It has at least n.
Okay.
That's fine. So nth odd that returns the nth odd number from the list. Where they
Oh, so
gave us n, right?
yeah, n, the list has n odd numbers.
It has n odd numbers. Yeah. So let's say I have 5 odd numbers, and we need to get like depending on what they input, like 2, 3, we have to just return that. Like the second of the number.
Hmm. I guess it's odd number, so I would have to recursively go through the list. So let's CDR.
Mm. Oh yeah, couldn't the filter like would work, right? You could just do like
Yeah, like if we filter the
like
list.
filter and then like odd question mark and then take in the list.
Yeah, so like I guess we could filter for all the numbers that are like odd,
Mhm.
just return the odd numbers from the list, and then we keep recursively going into the list until we reach like a specific like the nth point. So you could keep like an index, I guess, and if we hit that index, we just return at that point. That's what I think at least.
Yeah, no, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Let's take a look then. Filter requires function parameter.
guess what we could do. Okay, first I think we could check if the list is null. Because we have no. Actually, we know this. Oh, yes. And then it can be like arms. Just looking for access. And for
Could you just, well, I guess.
we could do like a countdown, right? Like until like let's say it's 3. We just like keep subtracting from 3 till it gets to 0, and then return that. Like let's say if we're gonna input 3. Does that make sense?
I'm still confused on how you would like go through the list to see if it's odd.
Well, we could just filter out the list, right? Like we could just use a function like how they have like filter positive.
Yeah.
You might have like a filter like odd.
Okay.
So we could use that, and then whatever we get from we get the resulting list, right? And
Right.
then we can just like have like a decrement thing. So like let's say let's say the list was like 5 numbers, and then they input 3. So we could keep counting down from 3 till we get to 0, and then return that position in the list. Like we keep like going into the list, right? Like recursively till it gets to 0,
Oh,
and then
so,
return that.
okay. So it would be like a comparison, like if you would like compare like the first value, I guess, in the list to, oh wait. Oh, okay, I see what you're saying now.
Okay. Yeah, like we will just keep calling like the thing until we get to like 0, like in the stack, right? Like until, and then once we get to that point, like we reach like the third one, or like once the counter gets to 0, I guess, then we can return that number, because that means we reached like the third point. Because we like, yeah, okay.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, cool.
I think to check if it's odd, it's just odd question mark.
Yeah.
So we just do what filter odd question mark.
Yeah.
Wait, but how do we save the new list.
You could use what is it? It's not cart, but it's the other one, right? To get the rest. And but then like the first index would be like of the newer list would be like what you're using again, right?
But do we not have to save the filtered out list? Ever?
I don't remember if filter will like rename the new list or like replace like the new list with the old list if it'll like overwrite. I can let me see.
Okay. No, I think filter returns a new list. List of elements of LST for the pred.
So can we just like filter our list then? But so we can just like filter our list like as we get it, and then we can define this odd function to actually work on that list then, right? Like,
Good.
can we just like call this like outside, like here? Like, can't we just filter the list here, like outside the function?
But I mean, well, we don't know if it like changes up the list or it returns a new list. Depends on that.
Oh, it returns a new list.
Oh,
So
If you see the
yeah,
route, like it's returning like this new list that's filtered. Like if you go check the notes.
oh
then do we
yeah.
not have to? Yeah, then we have to save the new list we get, right?
Um,
To use it.
well, I think it just be I think it just be stored like that. I mean, we can just like I believe we'll just store it for use later. Like it will just filter and store it by itself, and then we can probably like do operations on it. Because I don't see anywhere to like save it here. All they're doing is like just filtering it, then it's returning that. I don't know. Or maybe we could just make it like a doubles, like the lists of just odd numbers. I don't know if we necessarily even have to like filter it. That's just like a edge case, I guess. I don't know, like if they pass in something.
I don't think you have to like rename or like do anything once you filter the list. Because I was looking online and it like and all the examples that use filter to sort a list in like a specific way, they just use filter, like they don't rename or like do anything else to it.
Okay.
Or I guess could you do like just do like define and then like filter and then nth odd so it's already filtered whenever you pass it in to the function, like something like that.
Oh wait, could you say that again?
Like instead of filtering in outside of the function or within, could you define it like could you do define filter and then like nth odd and then n so that the list is already filtered like once you pass it in?
Oh,
So that
okay, I see what you're saying. I
Uh,
don't know.
because I was looking on like Stack Overflow and that's what they do.
Okay.
But I don't know.
you could try it out.
Yeah, let's just try it, I guess. You know what? Why don't we like do this? Like, actually, let's actually like get the function and just make it like odd numbers for now, and then later see how we can use filter. Like, let's actually just like get like the logic of the actual function, I guess. So we know it's
Yeah.
Okay.
actually working
Okay.
first. Because I feel like that's making it like complicated.
Okay, wait, I'm still confused. So we're passing in a list to the function, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're passing the function, so n r equals to n, the condition of n. Let's see.
I think we should make another variable that that we can decrement. So like this could be like our list of your own. And we can have like where the index.
And then car and we're gonna pass in person.
Mhm.
Let's just call the other variable x. X equals 2. We gotta pass in two values, right? So one is the list and the other is n.
Right. Yeah. So like I guess
Oh,
N would be like our tracker.
Yeah. So if x equals to n, or not there, if x equals to n, then
Wait, what's X doing there?
yeah, wait, what's
Oh,
x?
we could just do this. Like we just decrement the N until it hits 0. Because if it hits
No,
0,
x
that
is the counter. Oh, you're gonna decrement the
yeah, I was thinking like we could just decrement N, and what that would do is like as soon as it hits 0, right? We just know that's the number we need to get in the list. Because we can just like just do the CDR command until N hits 0, and then just return it.
oh,
Yeah, we just keep CDR doing CDR into the list until N hits 0, and then we just return that number.
okay, okay. So if n equals to 0.
Yeah, then we could just do like return like or like car list, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, car list. Okay, 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 yeah. And if it's not that and else
oh, then
would
you just
do
do CDR and then list.
CDR.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
CDR.
think so.
Okay.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
And oh wait, we'll have to do this too. CDR list, and then we'll have to. How can we do two arguments for the else?
With
Because
else.
we'll have to decrement n too.
Yeah, yeah. Um,
Oh, I think you can do,
Oh
what is it?
wait,
Like,
CDR list and oh wait, no. No, it's not. No, no,
um,
no. I think it's wait, let's get rid of the filter for now. It's confusing. So I think it's like and odd CDR list and or and n minus one.
or no, that wouldn't work, right? It has to be it would have to be like the operator goes up front. I don't think we can decrement like that.
No, I mean we're passing it in the function recursively. It's n minus or oh wait,
It
it's
can
yeah,
be
it's
N
this minus n one. That should work, right?
does the parentheses matter there? I don't think it matters actually. I think that should look up. Yeah, let's try that.
oh, also, I'm not sure if you're able to use the variable list. I think it has to be like LIS or something because list is its own command, I think.
Is it?
Okay, let's change it.
Yeah, so you can be like,
LST.
yeah.
Do we not need an else for cond,
Um, I
or
don't
can
think so.
we run it? Okay.
I don't think so, because like our else case would just be like, or wait, actually, wait, hold
Okay. Okay,
Mm,
we're at 54.
on. Okay, that's fine.
I think you do need an else for cons.
Do we need con for this?
I don't think so.
Yeah,
Because
just look
you
it
just
up.
have like two conditions, like if it's true and if it's false.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I just looked it up and it says we don't need an else.
Oh,
Okay, if it
okay.
doesn't need an else, let's just keep it.
So
That's fine.
Yeah,
then
so
it
it,
doesn't
And
matter.
do
yeah. Yeah, what were you saying?
do we need the car end line?
No, not car. We don't need that. And I think we don't need this either. We don't need this whole thing. Because if it's not, no, we can just keep going essentially. I think so.
Okay, so
So right now, this is saying if n is equal to 0, then do this, but I don't think that's what we want. Right?
oh wait.
I think we just want to keep calling it until it hits 0, basically.
No, I mean, why would we keep calling it until it hits empty? Because we need it at the nth place.
Oh, wait, yeah, you're right. That's my bad.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah.
No, I think for the most part, this is right.
Oh, wait, so
I
we
don't
should
think.
do like, okay.
Go ahead. What are you saying?
Oh yeah, I was just saying, so like, if n is equal to 0, then we would return carless, right? Do we need an
Yeah.
else, or is the nth odd like doing that automatically? Like, or is that just like, does that value to like false then? Like the nth odd part?
Oh,
Wait. Can you speak up? What happened?
Oh yeah, so I was just, so like, do we need an else there? Or like, or is it like, does it like default to true, like at the nth odd? Like, do we need a false there? Like, if
No,
not zero,
no.
then
I think we need a false because we're only returning when there's no more n, and when there's no n, it means we're at the very we're in the right spot. We're in the right index.
yeah.
So if we're not in the right index, we just have to subtract one from the index, but we're still looping through it. We're still looping through the same list.
Right,
Or
yeah.
actually, oh,
I would think, like, do we
yeah.
need an X here? Or like, or does it like handle that by itself? Is what I was saying.
Wait. What handles what by itself?
So like, do we need an else here? Like for the if, right? Do we need an else here? Or does it automatically just do this when it notices that n is not 0? That's what I was asking.
Oh, yeah. This is the else. This is the else. It
Okay,
doesn't need
this
an
is
else
I
statement.
think,
okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
yeah.
So yeah. Do you need this line? The
No.
car end line? Okay,
No.
let's get rid of that then. For now, let's just or I'll keep it because um Yeah, I'm getting an ill-formed expression.
Yeah, same. Is it for saying it for the if statement?
I didn't check. Let me see.
Oh wait, never mind. I'm not getting that. I'm getting macro name can be used as a variable.
Oh, mine doesn't say the line. No, it's T.
Oh, this is different.
Y'all want to move on to the next one? We're like halfway through. Time's nearly up.
Okay, well we can do the next one.
Yeah. Oh man. Okay.
That's not perfect. Simplicity within the cells within the refinement.
Hmm.
Okay, so we'll have to like construct a new list for this one, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Right. And then what we could do is, right,
Mhm.
let's stop it. Um, Can we do this? Like first we go in and add like the numbers. So like we add 1, 2, 3 to the list, right? So you would just do
Mhm.
CDR, CDDR each time. So it'd be like CDDR. So it'd be like, and then we can just get 1, 2, and then 3. And then we go over it again, and then we do CDR, and then it would get A, B, and C. And then we add those two together. I don't know. I think that's kind of
Oh,
complicated.
yeah, you're right. You're right. First time move 2 steps, second time move once. I think, yeah, that makes sense.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so how do you, okay, so how do you define a new list?
We have to do
And then
cons.
how do you add to a list?
I think so. You have to do like cons. Could you spell
Cons.
that?
But
Yeah,
with cons adds to the very start, right? Okay, let me see.
yeah,
Con
cons has to start. Yeah,
Yeah.
and then to add to the end, we could do append, I think.
10, right? Okay, so we'll have to do or
Um,
oh wait. CD.
Okay, so like to do what I'm saying though, we'll also have to remove them from the list because if we do it one at a time again, then we'll get the ones and two, the numbers again. That's actually the problem. So we have to go through the list and actually remove it and then go over it again. I don't know. That's kind of complicated.
Wait, what if we do this? What if we make two extra lists?
Mhm.
One that has the even elements, one that has the odd elements, and then we would loop through the index, the size of the big array, and then
Mhm.
every odd time we would add elements into a third array from the odd element list, and then the other one for the even turns, it's going to be from the even elements list.
Okay. And then we just put them put those together.
Yeah, so it's a third list, so third list has all of them.
Yeah.
Gotcha. That makes sense.
So swap list. We're gonna need 3 extra lists. So is this how you define a list? Define list X?
Uh,
You guys can fix my thing. Or like let's do odd or odd E. And then
Yeah.
con null list, okay. And then add to the odd. Okay, let's so con list, swap list. How do you append?
Oh wait. If you, yeah, I think you can just do append.
Or CDDR, yes.
Does that make sense? Because we can just, or wait,
You'd have to I think you have to do this. Car swap
oh, right.
list, and then CDDR list. Then this one and append adds to the very end. Append adds to the end. So we'll do this. So this would append it. What are we appending to? Let's do it to C once, twice. Wait, CDDR is 2 jumps, right?
2 jumps. So
Yeah.
that would be
Okay,
like,
even.
yeah, I would put the numbers then in the example.
Okay, so CDDR
Use that for too.
1, 2. So even and this. And then this one, and then we would do the same thing, append. Okay, is that how you do append? Yeah. Append odd car swap list CDR list.
Oh, and then would you
Wait,
just do like append and then car? Oh, wait. Car. You do append and then car eve and then car odd. And then how would,
no, we'd have to loop. We'd have to do another loop in that case. Third, I guess, append. But how would we fix set up this loop? So can we define another function that gets called in the function?
I think so. Because in an example, like he did that.
Okay, then let's just hope for the best. Define last include, and it gets passed in x and y lists maybe, or so x and y. Actually, oh gosh. Go.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't even think we need to do it this way.
Huh?
I honestly don't think we even need to do it this way. What we could do is like, okay, like every iteration, right? So
Mm-hmm.
we go into the list once, like we get the second element, right? And then
Mm-hmm.
we get the first element, and then we can just call the interchange function again recursively. So that would keep like getting the second element and then after the first element, right? And then we keep calling that until like the list has like no elements left. I don't know if that makes sense. Um,
Repeat it.
okay. Okay, like okay, you guys try doing this. I'll try doing something over here.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Just say yeah. Just like idea.
Okay, we got like what 35 minutes. So like let's work on this for like 5 more minutes.
Okay.
No. So
Mhm.
different minutes. If I was thinking of to move through into a comment this one. And
Oh, is there a way? What if you can just do like um I don't know. Is there a way to only like compare the oh wait, would car like CAAR get the second term of
I
the
don't think
list?
CAAR works.
Oh. Mm.
Yeah, that's only like if you have a list within a list.
Oh, what if you just append like CADR and then CAR? And then so like
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. CADR and then CAR.
yeah.
We'll just make it like separately, and then yeah, that's what I was trying to do too.
So
So we could do
That makes sense.
like we have cons CADR into the list, right? And then we could do another cons, and then get the CDR. No, CAR. Yeah, CAR. Yes. And then we can just call like the swap list function again.
mm-hmm.
And then when we call it, like we move forward again. So we like swap list, uh, CDDR.
That makes sense.
Wait, would it be CDR? Not oh no, because you have to get this
Like
okay,
ahead because
no.
we swap those two. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Let's try that again.
Mm.
Were you guys able to get it working?
Hmm?
Were you guys able to like test it?
No.
No. Okay. So I'm getting at this. Um, um,
Why do you need this line, like the con and car list? Like, why can't you like put the second item in the list in front and then just keep doing that?
like put this in the front.
Yeah, like you can, why would you use like this line? Like, what does this do? Because if you,
This is adding the first element to a new list, right?
I thought
Like,
that's what, oh, wait,
because this would add like the second one to the first. Like this would be the
right.
first thing that it adds to the list, and then we add this to the list as well, like the first element to the list, right? Oh wait, are we saying the order should be flipped?
Well, because if you have like, if you start out with the example, like A1, B2, and then it's not null. And then if you do like the third line, so con CADR and then LST, that means you're putting one in front, right? So then the newest becomes 1A, B2, right?
Uh-huh.
And so then the cons car LS, like what is that?
So that would get like this first element, right? This element right here, and
Uh-huh.
then put a new one.
Oh, okay.
Or wait. Huh.
Wait.
Actually, yeah, you're right. I think because if we put this element out front,
Because
like
then you're back to this, like that. I don't think this line
yeah,
does anything, right?
okay. I think I get what you're saying. Okay, yeah, let me try.
And then you could do CDDR. So that would be, oh yeah. And then you would start with like this one. So then it would be like, so then your, I guess, new would be B2. And then it would be 2B. Yeah. Mm.
Okay, I'm having like something weird with my emails. It's just like, taking out whatever I'm typing. Can somebody try typing into their thing and see if it works?
Yeah, I'm typing it in right now.
I'm not saving it. It's weird. Hmm. Oh no, do you look? Do you want to look at number 4 then?
Mm.
Do you guys get it? Or should we move on to the next one?
For
Just start writing that one in. So I guess me and you can start number 4, right?
Yeah, I'm down. 4 doesn't seem too bad.
Yeah. I
okay.
mean, we could just
It
use
says
whatever they have for flattening the list, like the function that they have. And then we just pass the flattened list and then just square everything, I guess.
pass the what?
So, okay, so they already have like a flattened function, right? So we can just
Yeah.
use the function. We just flatten the list and then we can just
Mhm.
go through every element and then just make a new list out of the squared numbers.
Can we just not use filter for that too and then pass in a procedure? Squaring it.
Wait,
What if we
filter.
passed in a lambda function inside of it?
Oh yeah, we can do that too. That's true. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So we could, yeah, we can
Oh,
just flatten it. Yeah.
On
We just flatten that list and go through it and then do a lambda function to do that. Yeah, that's true.
we don't really have time. It's like 21 minutes.
I think 3 should be correct. 2, we were kind of close on 2, I think. So, you got it.
2,
Right?
I think 2, I got it up to this far. I think I changed it up and then it keeps saying operator is not a procedure. This 2. 2.
oh.
Like I have this much and then I think this is where it's causing a problem. It's not
Mhm.
decrementing.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, that this is probably going to be wrong.
Okay.
Uh,
So if there is a way to decrement n and pass in a lower value, this one should start working.
can we make a global variable?
Yeah,
We
try
why
it.
not? Yeah,
Huh?
let's try. We'll just make it a global variable. Let's make n a global variable, right? And then whenever that n hits 0, we can just like,
If you know how to make a global variable, just write it in code. I don't remember
okay.
what the
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I saw that.
syntax.
I think. Hmm. I think I almost have 4. I'm just,
You have 4?
or sorry, not 4, 3. I
Yeah.
mean, like it's
Yeah.
almost working. It's just some small part. Like, 20.
Can we write multiple lines in an else statement or if statement?
No, I think if you do that, you have to do like if, like a nested if else statement. Unless you use cons, which would have like multiple conditions.
Ahnaf, will you try running this for number 2?
This?
Or wait, hold up. I think this has to be on a separate. The thing is, if we call it again, actually, yeah, maybe if we could try running that. Let's make
With
that-
should I delete this line?
yeah, let's do that.
It keeps saying incomplete form.
Probably something to do with the
Oh, I think we need an else, right?
for what? I mean, I think this should take care of the else part. I mean,
Yeah,
after
it keeps
that,
saying incomplete form.
that's probably because something to do with the parentheses.
Mm. Oh, I think I see it. I think I see it.
Yeah.
Ill-formed expression.
Hmm. We'll just take like a look at number 4.
Yeah.
So I wrote out like the flatten function. That's what I have so far.
Mm.
Oh.
Okay, I got two to work, but we still haven't what's it called, filtered out all the other elements.
Okay. I think we can leave the filter and stuff. It's fine. Let's just do 4 and 5.
Okay.
Okay.
We got
Okay.
10 minutes.
Yeah, let's just at least try to get 4.
Create the scheme flip, create a square number that takes a list of integer, generates a copy of the list. What's 5? Create a scheme inside that file, write the function set operation that returns the difference of two simple words parameter. So there should be no duplicate list return. The order does not matter. Don't forget to test it. Just was there and she.
Oh, and then wouldn't it just be like, would that just be the lambda function? Like you would just pass that in?
What's that? Uh,
Or,
this part.
or like this part?
Oh yeah, I think that should. Or wait, do we need to pass in like a variable for lambda?
I think this would be the variable that you're passing in, right? And then this is like the operation that you're doing to that variable.
Oh, okay. So this could be like n, and
Oh,
then
okay.
right, because
And then
that.
yeah, and then it would just be n times n then,
Okay.
right?
Wait, how? So we need to like get the element of the list, though, right? Because we need to square each individual element. So we would need to
Yeah,
do car list, right?
yeah. So I guess, so you wouldn't you just replace n with car list and then
But
it
the
would,
thing is, car list by itself.
uh,
Do we need to save it to a variable like the squared number? I'm not like entirely sure how the lambda thing works. Is because like otherwise why can't we just like just go through it individually and just square it? Like let's just like just do a car list and then times car list through the whole thing, and then
okay.
because I don't know how the thing works. Unless you know, like I'm just not sure.
So, so you'd think it would be like, um,
Wait, Jaya, can you copy in the code for 3? Whatever you have,
yeah,
let me start submitting.
yeah. is what I have. I don't know. I'm not getting any errors, but it doesn't display anything
For 3.
for 3.
So you gotcha.
Mm.
Is this it? Or is it the entire thing?
Oh, it's like this entire thing, but
Okay.
yeah, this entire part.
Oh, how long do you guys have on your end?
5 minutes.
Do you guys have the undergrad folder?
Yeah.
Can you guys submit then? Because my undergrad folder isn't working.
Yeah.
I have 2 minutes.
Jay, do you want to submit or should I submit?
I think you should submit because I have under a minute.
Oh, okay. I'll submit then. Do we need the scheme files as well? We can submit that. Ahnaf, is this the okay? This is it. Okay.
This is, yeah, that's the one.
Okay.
And this is 3 for Jaya.
Sorry.
One, 4. Do we need the scheme files too? Do we need to submit that?
I did last time.
Okay.
I would make like separate ones.
I don't think I'll be able to submit all the files. I'll have to type it in.
Huh? What did you say?
I don't think I'll be able to submit all the files because then I'll have to like type them. I only have it for 1 and 2. I have to like
Did
type
you
it.
why don't we like send you the files? Can you submit it then?
Yeah.
Or I can't I can't even send the file.
Worst case scenario, we can like email the TA with the files because I think they're pretty understanding about this.
Okay.
Okay.
Like if the quiz closes. Let me see if I can. Do you want me to email you the file for 3? Would that be helpful?
Yeah, maybe we should do that.
Okay, I'll email.
Yeah. Okay, I think I'll just submit, because I have like 30 seconds. We can just submit it later then, I guess. Like we'll just send it to you the
You
files.
you copied in the code, right?
Yeah, all the code's copied.
Yeah, then I think it's fine.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, I don't know what's the
gosh.
file.
I'll stop the recording too then.
What? Okay.